Oh, when I see this picture, this man now, this pastor Jeremiah Omoto. When I see this picture, this man now, this pastor Jeremiah Omoto. When I see him, Pastor Jeremiah. This matter, not be say they mention a name for inside this matter we be so we want talk today, and not be say I dey talk this matter because of say this man na pastor, whether na real man of God or whether not be real man of God or that one na yeah God know. I know they follow, I not be a member, but I dey talk about am because he need mention for this matter we want talk today, and I just want make we just pick lesson from this voice record 1 year now. Make we pick the sense wey dey inside, because a lot of sense e dey for inside. Because I know say some people if they go church they forget pray for house. Not be everybody, some people. So may as I dey play the voice record dey come, una go dey suffer, dey lis ten, dey pick sense for inside. For people wey still believe say that dey mommy daddy for church, you understand? So I no waste una time. I don't want to talk too much. I don't want to take for here. I don't want to beat around the bush. But I welcome you all. Thank you for joining. Help us share this video to help someone today. And please like our video, like our page, and follow us so that you go to hear better story for this our channel. Now Pidgin English now to the top for this our channel. So all of now we come here. I greet you with your time. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, good night, good day. I greet you anytime we be say you dey for your side. So my people, the voice record is long well, so I don't want to waste time. I don't want to take for years. So we'll just go straight to the point and more no beat around the bush, my people. So may I play am. Please wanna help me share this video. I just God beg you. Like this video, share this video. What is the happen for the world? It's so deep. Pastor carry person go native doctor place. You be pastor, you believe in God, but you believe say native doctor dey work na make you carry member go native doctor place. E no ring bell for na ear, not funny. If funny, or at least you be man of God or you be prophetess, you go pray so that God go deal with that person, not be to carry the person go babalawo place. Anyway, let's continue.
Good afternoon, good evening, good morning from wherever you are watching from. I got this little message, or this few messages, if I may use like that, to clear the air of word that I'm hearing. The word that I'm hearing is very, very unpardonable in my ears, so I have to clear myself. This issue it all started in the year 2013, I think October 8th, when I ran into a lady through my ex-date. Okay, my ex-date was a member of the church, and she was the general overseer of the church. This lady, I call her Prophetess Peace Henry, aka Mommy Peace.
Mommy Peace.
GO, they call her, and she's also a police officer. She was an inspector then, but now I think she's a super. The super by my grace, if I may say. That means, in fact, by my grace, not if I may say, I'll make sure I blend everything down so that everybody will understand. We started after my ex-date came to the church. I think that was on Sunday. We both went together to the church on Sunday. The name of the church is God of Reality Deliverance Ministry in Igrita, Omoduku, Rivers State. So this lady, when we went to the church on Sunday, then the activities of the church is Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. So it happened went on Sunday. So the next one was to be on Monday because on Wednesday, sorry, because the Monday one, I think is their prayer, something like that, as they say. So we went to the Wednesday home. On the process of going to the Wednesday home, we found out that everybody gathered there. People were crying that the owner of the church, being the general overseer, the husband is dead. So we all gathered there and consoled and all those things, blah blah blah. That's how we just consoled. Normal consolation. People were playing till we just talked and all those things. Then my girl, we have been together for years. I think it's getting to 15 years. She they like pastor. So she now confided in a pastor, in a prophetess. I met her. Maybe they had one or two discussions privately something, and I did not still put interest in that because I know that it's still them though. But when she was going in for it, I was telling her you have to be very, very careful. When you go to the church, it's not all church you go and you just start exposing yourself to. You have to wait and let them see things by themselves, so that you will not know if it's real or not. But she was so happy to throw herself to the prophetess, and the prophetess it happened that the prophetess now gave her something like an assignment to go and do in her place. She was from West Europe, so she went there. And that was when me and her started having issue. That was how the whole relationship crashed. Not knowing that this woman sent her because she had interest in me. So since I've won her before, and I don't know why. I don't know how it all happened. Before we know, we started dating. We started dating like that. The husband was in the mortuary then.
Now the year matter. Pastor wife husband dey mortuary. He started dating this guy. He can't send his girlfriend go assignments. Then he can't spoil that one by it. According to this brother, the way he talk about, I know this brother they talk with him to moon at the year.
Go visit him sometime. We come back and all those things. Before we know, we fell in love and we started dating. We started sleeping with ourselves, making love to ourselves. And under that period, she was pregnant. When the husband was in the mortuary. And then she said, that she cannot, because of the church she's carrying, she cannot keep this pregnancy. And the people will feel bad and all those things. So she aborted the first pregnancy. I said, okay. The other one, that's how we started. Until they buried the husband, I tried my best with all I can do, what I brought, assisted them. The husband was from Andoni, precisely Andoni. And we crossed water, and the distance from where we stay in Negrita to Andoni was very fast. And then when the road was very bad, we could spend hours on the road. But I know how I was flying that road like normal, like town service person. I was flying that road anyhow. It was God that saved me all the way. I can pass that road more than 4 times. Carrying this over there, carrying that over there, just like that. Till the man was buried successfully. Even when they buried, I think she almost had issues with them there because of her bad. She has one kind of bad attitude and bad character. A stark illiterate. She knows what it means. Even wanted to fight the owner, the senior brother, the sister of the man, of our late husband, and the mother. Even the mother, she wanted to scatter the whole place. It was not an easy task. He beat her out of her before we are able to smuggle her out of the place and brought her back to the city. That was how we saved her from the hands of those people. Because of that, they hated her. Maybe because of her attitude, she's this kind of type that feel pompous like God. Well, because we men in the church will bow down and be greeting her. I was like, sometimes I ask her, why will you be doing like what is the joy you derive in those kind of things? Somebody's husband will bow down to greet you, and you will now start feeling like God. Sometimes even when they greet her, she snub them as if she's Jesus. After I could not hold myself, anyway, as a man, I change her for her. Let me use that word like that. Because I cannot see my own fellow man. He will greet you and you will keep very ugly face, very hard nonsense face like this. He will keep face like that, snub the man, even insult the man. Say, where are the husband? It's the wife of the man. Is
but yeah, he said the prophetess He say church members husband, if they waka the corner, so all of them dey bow down for am. Sometimes if you no go even answer the men dem, he go just do them like this, and the wife go dey tell me go come marry, my husband go dey bow down for a woman like me, say na prophetess. Na that day they leave that marriage.
What can they do now? They are geo. Everybody geo. That is how it happened. I want that chapter closed. Now, why I came for this video, actually, there's two things that made me brought this video, that made me bring out this video or this record. One, I was helping her with my own vehicle. She wanted me and her to get married. She was persuading me, but
when I not get me wrong, if elderly person, woman, na elderly person husband fit bow down, greet am and say na respect as elderly person. No be small pikin say he be prophetess, husband go dey bow down for am. Wey be say your husband senior, even you papa, you senior the prophetess. Na ojuju be that.
say there's no future between us, because at that time she has aborted like 3 pregnancies for me. 3 good pregnancies. I said, I cannot marry you because one, me and you we are 2 parallel lines, because I don't have peace in the house, in the sense that everyday fight, everyday quarrel. And this is the woman that when I met her before, she used carnal oil to rub. I was the one that changed her skin to how she is now. I renew her as her looks again. And this many will testify. Even she too used to testify in the church. She will carry a microphone and say, it's God that sent me that. Since she came to this world, no man have treated her the way I do treat her. She confesses it. That I even treat her more than the way her late husband treats her. She was having ulcer that period. So many nonsense sickness she used to have at that time. So I'll arrange drugs for her, give her, she'll get herself, she'll be okay. Meanwhile, her own members, she don't like them to take drugs. Their own oil and water. She know where she'll go fetch her water.
I tell you now, say this voice record, I dey bring and come. Not be say because say I want to expose the people, na be the thing. I dey bring and come, make people dey pick sense for inside. Because this guy don't deal with this woman, a pastor, they dey together. He say if neighbors dey sick, he go give them anointing oil and water. Say make them dey drink. He go dey pray for them. No go tell me they take medicine. But she dey take medicine. Now they hear say she dey take medicine. Now she dey now he by himself they go buy medicine for this woman, pastor. But he go tell me say me they not take medicine. I talk on that they say anybody when they sick, go hospital, take your medicine. Your medicine work for your body. Now be the miracle. Your medicine, your body responds to any treatment. Now be the miracle, because not be every time body they respond to treatment. That's why your sister does say if body not they respond to treatment, they'll come they can go bigger hospital. But if your body respond to treatment, that will be the miracle way they inside. Say your body even respond to any medicine you they take. But this woman will tell that they not take, but she they take medicine. More than the year, if you now want, I go put her for YouTube. The picture and everything, I go put her for YouTube. This one also be put her at the talk, so you understand. That one I'll do upload it for there. So make una the year people wey be say they una believe say my pastor say if you like put red dead for there, that one na your cup of tea. You understand? So when I dey listen, he said he dey drink medicine. We'll continue. I wish I feel forward that.
For them to drink, but she is drinking her own and be getting well and healed.
Okay.
Now there was a story that she has been pulling me to come out since this time since it happened, and even the church member, none of them can even say me and him, Elvis and Peace is dating, None of them even have. So they were like, it's a place that they are dancing. I'm not sure two of them are sleeping together and all those things. But it's only the children that know, and the people that live with us inside the house, because 2 of us stay together in the room there.
Una know say if they talk on this kind of matter, many people will be say they don't sell their soul to devil, they don't carry their brain set to pastor. They know they pay them for body, they don't want hear. some pastors good, but it's good to tell the people the truth, you know. Tell them say you dey drink medicine, not a lie to them say you know they drink medicine. Tell them say you dey go hospital when you are sick, you understand. But if you dey talk all this one, some people will dey vex. People will be say they don't already sell their soul to devil. People will be say their bread they don't already sell it for their pastor, so they go dey vex. If now one person now I feel safe for inside this message when I bring, it's okay for me. You not concern me. If you like, you take out. You like, you not take out. Look on me. It's not my business. If you like sick, not take medicine. Now you know. If you like anything you like, you do. But even though say only one person, now if you pick something for inside this topic, it's okay.
Room there. So, and I'm not this kind of man that will come out and say, you know, many people were expecting me as we sit together. I start saying, me and the general overseer is dating. We are sleeping. No, I don't do those kind of nonsense. I kept it within myself. There are so many hidden secrets both of us even had. I never want to even expose anything. But I just came to bring out few points to clear myself beyond all reasonable doubt. So tell people I'm my husband. I'm married. Last night she even took a drink to go and give the father and said that I sent her that I want to marry her. I laughed. I said, me and you have not even agreed on those things. Because one, for 8 years I'm with you. 8 years we have been together. I've not seen any good character in you. There is no peace. Every time I fight, even to the extent the daughter will say, Mommy, you better allow this guy to rest. You don't give this guy peace. This guy doesn't have peace of mind or rest of mind wherever you are. No man will be able to take this kind of bullshit from you. She hates the daughter more than herself. As a daughter, I don't know now if maybe when they hear this one they want to, to cover up. But I know what I'm saying. That you will sleep with person, know how person mouth they smell. And the way bitter cola tastes. It's not the way it sounds, that's not the way it tastes. That's one thing we should know. Now, she kept telling people, okay, I left the church. Why did I leave this church? I left the church because I did not see any lights in the church. I know all those things they are doing, all those fake prophecies she gives and all those things. She has told me that it's just there to make she gather her money and help herself, gather her money, and when she collects money from the offering, the next day you have seen her going to my one to go and buy wares, buy wrapper and all those things there. Her members are suffering, hunger, they kill them. But not only how they progress, she like the one only how they progressing, which is very, very wrong. When she give them 1,000 today or 500 today, she will carry microphone, announce them, insult them. I say it's not like that. They do something. Instead, don't give. If you give and you insult, they don't give. Keep it to yourself. But I don't know that it's a problem. I was cursing down to myself because once I try to counter her for somebody, next thing she'll say, me and the person they friend. Now she now came on, she took microphone to the church when I traveled for after then I traveled to Europe. She now took microphone and said she drove me away from the house because I told her that I was sleeping with all the married women in her church. I was laughing because before this time she told me that anytime I'm about to leave her, that she made sure she ridicule my name. I said, you can't, even though you ridicule my name, if it is your mushroom church, I made you who you are. I made you known to people. Most of the connection you are making mouth with is through my connection. As I pull out, all of them will pull out. You think I was joking? This woman, she don't go to school at all. When I met her first time, I asked her. She said she was the best in her school during days in her village. That everybody they bow for her. But her English is very worrisome to the ear. She cannot construct a single sentence correctly. She cannot even write. Talk more of constructing sentence. But I was teaching her all those things. I keep pride one side. I said, since it has happened, let me just shoulder it myself. I was teaching her like the way a reasonable man will teach a woman that does not know. Even phone. I was the one that started made her start using Android phone. I bought the first Android phone for an Nokia Lumia. I taught her how to operate it, how to send text message from Android to ITEL to Techno to Samsung. When I now ask her, can I see your results? Why do you enter police? Because she's also a police. How do you enter police? She said that she used her sister's result to enter. I said, this kind of case now, when you now get some rank now, they'll now say, bring your result and everything. Maybe if God blesses you now in a higher rank now, everybody, because in every position you occupy, somebody is interested in it. I said, okay. She said, and when she now showed me the result, I was on the bed when she brought the result. All were F9 parallel. F9 parallel. The only one they had there was CROK-P. They had P in it. I said, this is not result. I said, is it what is that enter police? She said yes. And they thought it was not even her name. How did it happen? She said there's how she said it, and I don't understand. You know that first time when they enter the police now, when the system was not strong, not now. That kind of person, never. That kind of person don't even know case. If a case comes, like, you don't even know the name of the case. You just answer police collecting police uniform. Now she said she was working under the chaplaincy. Let the police take her to division. Peace Henry just wasting time in that police. Whatever she says, she's a pastor in the police. What? She's not. And even at that place, she's working in Moscow or in their headquarters. She goes to the place once in a week, and at times she don't go. Before you know, when I was there with her, before you know, she carry a recharge card to bribe all those corporal and sergeants. They will put her name there. That was what was happening till I left that place. Even when she was in academia, she had problem with them because she don't come to work often because of the church. She say her church business is her main priority. That's what waiting concern her with police work. That the police work is just that she's using to collect money. I say, well, it's your choice. And after that, you know what? This result is very bad. I want to get WAEC for you and get you registered for WAEC. She said, no, she's above school. I bet she cannot. Where did she want to start from again? That it was those days she finished school. I said, those days you finished school and you are speaking this kind of cut and dead English that is worrisome in the ear. No, let's keep this thing. I was just telling her this thing within me and her inside the room there. I now have to go and register her. I took her down. I was the one writing the exams. As God be having, she passed. She passed the exams with 9 A's. Someone that cannot even spell mathematics got all those things, but I left it. Even her daughter also had problems in her results. They wanted to pick JAMB from that very day. So when I saw the result was not good. The result that you don't have maths and English, you can't. Well, which admission? Even if you want to read a native doctor in university, you must have maths and English. I said this result is poor because they don't know about it. They are ignorant of it now. So when I now told them, I said, okay, let us get JAMB form for her. Sorry, let us get GCE for her so that before the JAMB comes out, I think the GCE will come and we can be able to merge it. So the mother said, okay, we now got the GCE form. On the way going to, you register, then you have to go and turn print. I told her, okay, come and go and turn print. Let me take you to the place in Rumukolo so that you can go and turn print and they give you your slip and all those things. But I said, why would she go and turn print? I did not need to turn print in anything like that. So I want to carry the daughter and go and sleep with in a hotel. The girl was mad. I said, why will he talk like this? Sometimes I know that I believe she's mad sometimes. She talks stupidly. I said, why will he talk like this? The daughter was it.
These bros, people they ask say why they say all these things now. This brother don't be say I support him for what he do from the beginning. You may not say person and widow, your husband just die of recent, your husband see the mortuary. Then he come they hire you. I believe say she felt they do am. If na truth, wetin this brother they talk of, because husband just they never fit think about the dead husband. He just they hide these bros according to Rambo. This brother he not do well at all. We be say he no say this woman husband dey mortuary. Even though say this woman hire you, why you go even near this married woman? Where your husband dey mortuary, never even bury your husband. Why? Even during that time, the man say dey mortuary. Una don dey jogodo, you can't even give her belle. You don't do well at all for there. I know say this brother they talk all these things now out of pepper body because they don't drag and go native daughter place. You understand? Now make her they talk all those things. That's why I say more pick the sense where they the story. Something they happen for people to learn. You understand? Like say they not drag and go native daughter place. Maybe this brother for not talk. He still talking. He say like say they not drag her for yours. I see don't come out for your rest. Now because say they drag and they say why expose everything when the woman they do. Because he will tell him maybe I say maybe they not dream medicine and she they dream medicine when she they sick.
I insulted her that day, blue black. I just calm everything. I was out of anger. I see after she apologized, she's sorry, this, that. I said, okay, we all drove down together. The daughter printed and they came back. And the day of the exam, I wrote the exam and the daughter passed. That was how he got the exam. Even as our younger brother's children that was in the house, they all wrote to register for WAEC too. I registered them, and we wrote the WAEC. I wrote the WAEC for them. They passed with A's. They passed. That one was a bygone. I sacrificed a lot. Is it clothes? Is it cream? Is it pant? Is it bra? Good things, neat things. The first time when I
they're not pay make you say the story. And body they hurt because they drag and go native doctor place. One big native doctor place when people say the juju they do well like this. You understand that the pastor carry and go because of say visa money, whether they give them visa money or so, and the person can't see do pan, the person not do the visa. So because of that one, they can't drag and go native doctor place. And the native doctor say if you not pay the money, other than 2 million, I don't know me, I don't lie. If you not pay the money, say they go buy her. So he can become, if we carry the matter, go give this swagalicious native doctor. Make that one be help being and say that one and see native doctor, so that make them see how of it settle the matter. So if like say things not go well for there, you understand. So as if you say not go well, the threat is still there, and if they fear, they say he go die before December. This December when finish, so before Christmas, say he not go see this 2022. But me and the brother talk this morning, he still there alive, he never die. So he say okay, since now so now he want begin to expose all the things wey they do together. Now I make how they expose everything now. So more continue.
When I saw the kind of brown pants she wear, I'll tell her, no, this is not nice. These are the olden days. They say, no, that she don't want to wear those Ashawo people, that kind of pants. But this is what she's rocking up and down now. I show her what they call good shoes, good sandals. I bought those things. Italian shoes, Turkish shoes, Turkey clothes to make her look neat. Good wristwatches, good perfume. I wore her good perfumes. Everybody don't know how she was shining. She'll be calling me her husband. And we are married. Almost everybody, this is what I'm saying, if they doubt it, if I get to a Gruta now, many people thought we were married. Because I'll carry her in my Jeep, she will feel like Lord. They march on everybody's head. So that was how it happened. So when I saw that, we too, there's nothing within us again, because this life is not, our life is not the kind of life I want to live, because there's something they say into going to courtship then before you get married, because there are some people that if you just jump into marriage, I say no man, she used to say that no man can stay with her. She tells me that steady, that no man can stay with her. No man can. That even our late husband was not able to stay with her. He works from Bonny. He only comes to see her once in a week. She confessed it. But I tried for 8 years, and it was not 8 days, 8 years. I did all those. Under that 8 years, I don't think there was any evil I did or I committed. No, I did not do anything bad to her.
You say 8 years, now they together for friendship. And that 8 years, he not do anything bad to this pastor. Because it wasn't a prophetess or pastor. Because he said that 8 years, he a young guy will be say he never forget pikin. And this woman don't get children. And this woman not fit born for her. And he need to start his own life, get family. You understand? So now make can come out for the relationship. And the woman say no, make it not come out. He need to come start with he finish. All those ones still join with Brady quarrel according to this brother. And they talk, I know so I just they play the voice record and not explain. So they try to bring out some points and they answer some comments for here.
I don't do anything bad to her. Even her husband people, she was too harsh and rude to them. Most of them now feel that maybe I'm the one virusing her mind. No. So that when she talk, I say, these are men, these are women. You don't need to talk to people like that. He will insult somebody's child. This one is a prostitute. This one has.
My dear sister Juliana, it's not wasting your data, because there's a lot to pick from this side, you know. Especially maybe you feel all wise. There are some people when we say they will pick something from inside this whole voice record. We never play and finish. More will continue. A lot there.
Even if it's any policewoman, this one we don't let fuck DPO. Were you in the hotel room with them? Somebody can dress. Does not mean the way the person dress, the person is a prostitute. You can meet up to them and tell them you want to sleep with them, and you will receive the slap of your life. I've seen some girls that can dress half naked, but if you walk up to them, like, you might not like their style. I've seen some of them that will cover themselves full ground. But now then they do the work. I thought that things are not being done that way. I try to teach her. And even sometimes when you try to teach her, ignorance is a disease. Ignorance is a disease. Men, forget all these things when you see her. All those prophecies are fake. Now arrangement. All those prophecies, as a church member, none of those prophecies she has given has worked. None of them have given her. None of them. All of them are still in square 0.00000. Instead of you to add half, you are even reducing from 0 to 0. That is what she has been doing. She will tell me, I better go and do Abrakadabra and carry money. We come up for church. Even at the time, she will tell me, let me don't work now. Let me stop work. Because the women are after me, women are disturbing me. Let me stop work so that I will be taken from church office. I say, I don't do that kind of nonsense. I'm not a man that will hold down a woman who will give me money for. When I have my 2 legs, I have my 2 hands, and I have my brain. He graduates. So I don't know that the woman got under different thoughts and evil intentions towards me. It was beyond human comprehension, and I told her, see, I want to move. Me and you we cannot stay together. We cannot have anything together. So that night I told her I want to move. She said we're supposed to go for mountain, and she used to collect money from her church members. She want to go to mountain and pray. No mountain. She will come and stay in my house for 1 month. Fuck well. Even for office, she will fuck for office.
Until now they hear. You say you go collect money for church member hands. You go say they go mountain. You want go pray for them. You know they go any mountain. You say now he house they can't stay. Go spend 1 month for his house. They go chop as they chop. They go enjoy themselves. Then he will pretend like saying a mountain there you go. And people don't they church, they pray, they spend money, don't give her money, collect money, they pray, say, oh, mama go Martin, he go bring message come for us from God. As Moses they go Martin, that time we go bring message come for the Israelite people. And really Moses go deliver. Now some people go they wait for this woman, say he go Martin, say he want go pray, because they don't know say he just they want corner, they do maka. They enjoy herself. If you can't corner, what you go come tell the people? Say God, you see for Martin. But they be careful. Even this prayer of a Martin, me don't say when me not the cattle or something again. Now someone tell us say he want go Martin, we will give her money. He want go Martin. I say if they want to go Martin, they say they give person money. He said, well, I'll continue this voice record. When I wait first, me I quit all this. So he said, well, I'll give her money. And I'll say, they say the first person to give person money for Martin. We not get though. Now because of us you dey go the Martin. Now we not tell you say go Martin go pray for us. Now you say you dey go Martin, we say go come. Which one be say we come see give you money for Martin? We not get money when we want give you for Martin. You not talk anything no. Now so you will not come here from now. After 2 weeks, now you come you say you don't come for Martin no. Say you don't come we pray for us. So now say oh, thank you, God bless you for the prayer. The next thing say we come give her money when you say go Martin. Now say here man. We don't say you Martin say go pray for us for Martin. Now you say you want go, we say we not get money. You say we'll give you, we say we not get. Okay, you can't still go, we not send you. What shall you go come say more can say give you money when you take go Martin? He say more can't give her money, say because he borrow money, take go Martin. He borrow money, more can pay the money when he borrow, take go Martin. We not say you say go Martin for us. We not tell you say go pray for us. We don't even know that you dey go Martin go pray. I don't know any Martin now. I even tell you say go pray come for me. We shall be say more come pay money, say you borrow money, take go. That I not gonna understand. They can't be like saying now Zeba. I don't know what they call Zeba. I don't know what they call Zeba for English. When I know first, it can't be like saying now Wahala. Before you know it, they happen. That's why you call the draws money. Oh, that's why we take block at it today. Oh, because me never see that kind of thing before. Person just told the drawing money, say you must give me money when I tell go Martin. You don't bring message, you not tell us anything. You not tell us say they go Martin. Tell your begin the draw me Martin money. Now since then, if I hear Martin, because I don't know which one be original one, but I know say people really they go Martin that time. Real people they will go Martin. Though they see, they'll dream, God will give the revelation, and everything when they talk will be truth. But all these bad people, they don't change them. We'll continue. But you have to be careful. But that why Branty enter our body, now we block us is there, because all this kind of wasabi something me I know they like how.
Even for inside motor, you go park motor for because I just make her feel like a woman, like.
It's like go say they go Martin, you go come stay yes. Even inside car.
I can't feel to be locked also because anyway she's ready to start it. I mean I will give her so that let not be that I say because the moment I don't give her she will accuse me. I don't go sleep with somebody else. I don't go sleep with other things. And those are the things that irritate me. It's better you accuse me what I do. What I don't do if you accuse me and I can be mad over it. We do all those things. If I tell you funny things, we do. When people when they see her like this, no go believe her. Me, I don't believe in people say. I believe in face-to-face confrontation. She don't go fit talk all those things she was saying in the altar. And when I left now, she now started telling people that I'm a driver, blah 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 blah. That she drove me away because of I told her that we are sleeping. I was sleeping with everybody in the church and all those things. Point one, she must prove those steps and those people that I told. Those people that I said I was sleeping with, So point those people and call those people out. I'm waiting for her to call those because I didn't want to bring this. I don't want to reply her since I've been hearing all those things. When most of those loyalists have been calling me, telling me. They've been calling me, telling me. I didn't want to bring up this issue since I just swallowed the pride and leave it. The one that made me came out. She now carried my number and gave to a Dibia. My details, my picture, everything. I tell the Dibia to kill me. I have the video of the Dibia in the shrine.
I get the
when
video.
Her name is mentioned there also.
Yes. The video where the woman, the pastor, take carry a name, go give a native doctor. He even sent the video to me. I get the video. They even mentioned this man name for the video with the shrine. They mentioned this pastor name. They go somewhere around for Ojuju house. If you not say you believe, say na Ojuju house, now you fit get wetin you dey find. Why you go dey use Bible dey cover face? You go just kukuma turn to the native doctor, dey work with them. Why you use Bible dey cover face? Pastor.
Woman is very wicked in the sense that forgiveness is a sin where she is. So what are you preaching? I've never even seen her preach. If she hold microphone, Emeka dey fuck Chinyere dey fuck Angela, that is only what you see her because she does it. She knows person that is coming out from hotel now. She knows somebody that is wearing pants that there's spam under the person's pants already. She knows. That is only what she's good in knowing because she's doing it. Because she was doing it.
Okay, after this I'll play the native doctor.
But I have to say because their mother pushed me too hard to do it. I was hiding myself since I left her for 3 years. I don't have a time to call her. She have been sending people to call me and beg me. Even the time she called me, she took Rose Samson's phone to talk to me. I warned her. I can't come back. I can't come back. You said she will pray me out. She must pray me to come. I say you pray. You where I don't see where I know. You pray where? Where the prayer? To pray with which God? Which God are you praying to? No, if you fool people, no, they fool me with those kind of things. Don't fool people. If you fool people, don't fool me. There are some people that you're supposed to fool with them. Don't be someone who don't know your in and out. You hide yourself. So that was how it is. The Dibia. And now when Dibia now send me the video, I said, I now called the number back on the WhatsApp. He said, did I know Gio? Peace Henry, Prophet Peace Henry, that Peace Henry gave him the number. That I was a driver. And the thing is very clear. The man said very clear in the video also. I have the video as an evidence. So she cannot deny the fact that I owed 1.3 million. And she now said I run away. See, the money they gave was money for visa. And the guy I gave the money for the visa, the guy is owing me 2.8 million. 2.8 million. And when I called the guy, since the guy knew I was not, but when I called the guy, when he hears my voice, he will block my line, block me everywhere. He's the brook. Even the case is in this human rights. They handle the case, but when they call him, he did not pick. But we are still working on the ground to get it. I have all my evidence of the transaction from my account to his account. 2.8 million naira. 2.8 million naira. So I never eat anybody money. I don't. Well, like, if I owe you, I go pay you. Now, person who gets life, they pay. When there's life, there's hope. But I never ate anybody's own. So since then, my mind was not even on those. He now told the Dibia that I've run away, that Dibia should kill me and kill my family. This is somebody I heard for many years. Her son was very, very sick. Her son died in Ghana, in fact. Her son, when he came back, he was having TB, tuberculosis, and he was an AIDS patient. People were saying he's AIDS and all those kinds of things. Everybody, even her own brothers and sisters, deserted her. Her own blood brothers and sisters deserted the boy because they were scared of how the boy came back. Very lean. Broom was fatter than the boy. I grabbed this boy from airport. Put him, he could not walk, nothing. Even from airport, he was vomiting blood. I rushed him inside my car. Straight. I took him to Bori. I have the doctor. I still have the doctor to confirm it. Bori to treat. Everybody were running away from him. Even our husband brothers were running away from him. I carry this boy as my own blood. But not minding the kind of sickness, whether as it's contagious, whether I will die from there with the sickness. But I just did it for peace of mind and love. I never know that I starve myself. I carried the boy till the boy was okay. I was shuttling from Bori. If you would have known River State, you will know what I'm talking about. From Bori, General Hospital Bori, to Igrita. Plus that road, when that road was, Eleme Road was very, very bad. I was shuttling from there like rain to go and buy drugs, return him back, go for checkup, inject him. She herself have lose hope. That's one don't die. I said, don't talk this kind of nonsense. Why are you behaving like that? See, the boy revived himself back. He said, if not because of me, the boy would have died. She said so many things that, in fact, I was a savior to her life. Okay, now I was a savior to your life. Now I said, I don't want again. I need to go. He said, if I go, you already call my name. You must make sure you say all sort of nonsense against me, and your church people will believe. But me, I don't care, because your church people know they give me food. Also, they never even bow self. Those ones that any small thing, they will come and meet you. Mommy. If someone served her and want to leave, it's a problem. She will find something to nail you to the cross. That is an evil deed. Very ugly face with hard forehead. If you see that Ekwempi, very wicked person. Very wicked person. Very wicked person. Spirit of forgiveness is very, very far. He's not a pastor. She's not a pastor. Sorry to never. I know what is on ground. I know everything. I know all her secrets. I know everything. But I think I have to add maturity here to hide some things. To hide some things. Now the Dibia said I should pay this. He gave me from now till December 30th. He will kill me. He will give me stroke. He will give their generation this. They will give their generation that. Blah 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 blah. No kind of talk I know here. No kind of talk. The DB have been threatening me up and down. I have the record and everything here. I have the distance. So that's why I'm coming out, so that let the meaningful people hear and know what is happening. Because I kept her quiet since. I never talk, even when she was passing message here and there to me. I'm not in your church. I don't even put mine in that kind of, what kind of mushroom church? I don't go there. I only drop here and find my level and go my way. I know if this how Christianity is. I don't want to be a Christian. I don't want to be a Muslim. I'm okay as a humanist. I'm okay as a humanist. I don't want to be a Christian. I don't want to be if it's like this Christian is, forget it. If something happen now, you tell her as a member, you don't kill yourself. You cannot hear, husband and wife get issue. You cannot hear from both of them. She will hear from one side, and she conclude. It's very, very bad. It's very, very bad. Everybody that's supposed to be reasonable in our church shall have turned them to be useless. Nobody progresses. It's only her.
Now, yeah, he said the church members to another team, another year. Now he said that in any deal, one of the year.
When they make offering finish, the next day you have seen her in my one going to pick Papa Ishagu, but other people are wearing nika. People that the way they give the offering, they wear nika, they use thread to sew under. It's very, very bad. You cannot see anybody that have a good car there. The highest car you see there is Keke. But I was carrying her with fleets of cars. Fleet of cars. So I just brought this thing to let everybody know what is involved. I don't have anything to do with peace. Peace, Henry. Move on with your life. Let me move on with my life. Allow me with my stupid life. You go with your Jesus life. But at the end, we will know the truth. Anybody that you have issue with, that come and encounter with you, you don't let the person go in peace. You want to disgrace and do what they say. You are too small. You are illiterate like you. Want to draw leg with me? They don't born you well, though. They don't born you well. Illiterate like you, that cannot read and write, that don't have head. Want to drag ground with me? I'm telling you with authority, you have to stop that nonsense. I'm telling you with authority, stop that nonsense. Stop that nonsense. At least people they friend, they go their way. People they friend, they greet themselves. That is how normal time. People that have dated, that's how we have fun and we still talk, we greet and everything. But you want to make your own now that you are superior. You are inferior, not superior. You are very, very inferior. You are an inferior woman. I'm telling you. Clear road, though. Clear road. I know why I'm telling you this, because you and this Dibia, when the thing go cast, then now you go beg, go clear road. I did not do you anything bad. I did not steal your money. I did not do you evil. I did not sleep with your daughter. I did not sleep with your brother's children. Any man that come there will sleep with you and sleep with your daughter. I tell you, because he did your body. You'll be cutting another person. You hold microphone. Everybody, so men, women, we no stay without a man. You cannot stay 1 week without fuck. Peace, you. Come out and prove it. I don't want to expose you by carrying your nude picture and put online. No, don't push me to the wall.
You see, I say you get a nude picture, but you know what put on for online. You understand? And one of our brother they talk yesterday. But why are you sleeping with her? Then you know all these fucking issues, brother. You didn't try at all. You to ask for forgiveness. Yeah. The brother need to ask for forgiveness too, because what he do, he not do well at all. As far as a married woman and now pastor, now he be your husband a pastor, the man die, and he can't pursue your girlfriend because he wants you, because quarrel between you and your girlfriend when you train for university. You for still use your brain, you not still do well at all, bros. And truth, now they tell you for years. So you too, now commit this sin. You still need to ask God for forgiveness. But if they talk now, if you don't want to talk anything, come out to you, just sit there on his own, say let the sleepy dogs lie. But now because of say the contract and go, the pastor come carry and go Ojuju place. Ojuju say you not go see 2022, but to God be the glory, he does see 2022. So he say go expose everything. Maybe by the time he expose all these things now, he do confession, God go forgive him.
I beg you, since I left, I've not called you. Now you they call people, send people to call me, use people's number. When they call me, you take and speak with me. Tell me when am I coming back? I should come back here. And this and that. Come back and do what with you? Come back and do what with you? You have your children. Your daughter can get pregnant and born. Your son can get pregnant and born. Why don't you allow me to have my peace? Allow me to rest. I've laid all what I had. We squander it together, and I learned from it. And I move on with my life. I've packed my pieces and move on with my life. Then allow the sleeping dog to lie. Allow the sleeping dog to lie. Tell your members them the truth. No, they call my girlfriend, say you drove me. I left out. You called Supo that very night. I can remember that night, vividly that night when you called Supo. That they come and beg me on your behalf. If Supo came, kneel down in your room there. Let me forgive. I said, okay, I'm forgiving you, but I cannot have anything doing with you again because you are drawing me back. That was how I left. I left that night. You wanted us to travel to Warri so that you will go hotel, go for Mercyland Hotel. In Jeremiah church. It's the same Jeremiah that you criticize. That you come is a fake man. Which kind of nonsense, stupid man where they give himself glory? When I on the station.
Until now the year. Now Jeremiah on for take combo. This woman, now so he say if they insult her for a altar, they curse her for a church. When are they here? That's why I tell you now just now say I dey do this video not be because of say Jeremiah na true man of God or not be true man of God or not dey follow am. You understand? But sometimes this woman is journalistic. Sometimes people when they follow you dey think say that they follow you, say they love you. They not just love you. They pretend to they follow you. You understand? Imagine person when they call Pastor Jeremiah. When even they tear he this thing no. I can't go touch. Okay.
For you that very day in the parlor. So I beg you don't want to watch all this kind of useless bias and people where they use juju every. You cannot see any.
He said Jeremiah, Pastor Jeremiah now juju they use. But they hear her now. Now this woman when they talk and so, but what it can happen later? One na listen na person wey carry person go juju and next they condemn Pastor Jeremiah. Whether two of them don see body for somewhere or only God na can know. He say Pastor Jeremiah, he say na juju na they use.
They have a good car there. The highest car you see is Keke. But I was carrying out with fleets of cars. Fleet of cars. So I just brought this thing to let everybody know what is involved. I don't have anything to do with peace. Peace, Henry. Move on with your life. Let me move on with my life. Allow me with my stupid life. You go with your Jesus life. But at the end, we will know the truth. Anybody that you
exactly,
have
not be clear eyes
that come and cater with you.
You are right.
You don't let the person go in
maybe
peace.
Not be clear eyes.
You want to disgrace and do all this thing. You are
because
too
person
small.
go throw away.
You are
because come to think about it, how person go throw away he get friend when he train go secondary school and university. Come carry mama and mad woman wey don dey husband house don get children almost grown up like you. You go throw away your fresh girlfriend. No be clear eye. I know say this brother need to ask for forgiveness, but if you look am, no be clear eye. Because that person go throw away something, you understand. Wetin that brother, the comments na true to talk. No be clear eye, but he still need to ask for forgiveness.
Illiterate like you want to draw leg with me? They don't born you well, though. They don't born you well. Illiterate like you that cannot read and write, that don't have head, want to drag ground with me? I'm telling you with authority, you have to stop that nonsense. I'm telling you with authority, stop that nonsense. Stop that nonsense. At least people they friend, they go their way. People they friend, they greet themselves. That is that normal time. People that
the way this prophetess stays spoiled Jeremiah.
Now that you are superior. You are inferior. Not superior. You are very, very inferior. You are an inferior woman. I'm telling you. Clear road, though. Clear road. I know why I'm telling you this because you and this Dibia, when anything go cast, now you go beg, go. Clear road. I did not do you anything bad. I did not steal your money. I did not do you evil. I did not sleep with your daughter. I did not sleep with your brother's children. Any man that come there will sleep with you and sleep with your daughter. I dey tell you. Because he dey your body. You'll be cutting another person. You hold microphone. Everybody. So men, women, we no fit stay without a man. You cannot stay 1 week without fuck. Peace, you. Come out and prove it. I don't want to expose you by carrying your nude picture and put online. No. Don't push me to the wall. I beg you. Since I left, I have not called you. Now you they call people, send people to call me, use people's number. When they call me, you take and speak with me. Tell me when am I coming back? I should come back here. And this and that. Come back and do what with you? Come back and do what with you? You have your children. Your daughter can get pregnant and born. Your son can get pregnant and born. Why don't you allow me to have my peace? Allow me to rest. I've laid all what I had. We squander it together, and I learned from it, and I've moved on with my life. I've packed my pieces and moved on with my life. Then allow the sleeping dog to lie. Allow the sleeping dog to lie. Tell your members the truth. When they call my professor, you drove me. I left out. You are even Supo. You called Supo that very night. I can remember that night, vividly that night when you called Supo. That doesn't come and beg me on your behalf. If Supo came, kneel down in your room there. Let me forgive. I said, okay, I'm forgiving you, but I cannot have anything doing with you again because you are drawing me back. That was how I left. I left that night. You wanted us to travel to Warri so that you will go hotel, go for Mercyland Hotel. In Jeremiah church, it's the same Jeremiah that you criticize. That come is a fake man. Which kind of nonsense, stupid man where they give himself glory? When I on the station for you that very day in the parlor, he said, I beg you don't want to watch all this kind of useless bias and people where they use juju everywhere, fake thing and everything. But in the same Jeremiah where I carry you, hand over to him. You carry that your ugly face.
Say pastor like that, you, now you condemn.
Ojuju Calabar face. Sit down there. Come they follow, they do ministration. Carry his poster full everywhere in your church. When I was carrying those things before, I beg all these things are this, all these things are fetish. Not be the same in poster where you carry put for your altar. It's the same of the poster you carry and put in your altar. You talk what you know that you cannot do, that you cannot do. You talk full everywhere. You call microphone. See, other women they preach. If they preach, even though they are unrepentant person, person will be armed up and go drop their gun there, repent. But you can never hold microphone to preach. It's Juliet, the friend Emeka, the friend Chijoke. Chijoke they fuck this one they go this hotel. When I go come. Shame no they catch you. Shame no they catch you. Gio get boyfriend, Gio get man friend. Gio, you are useless. You are useless in talk. In the presence of nobody asks you the question when they're going to hail you. Most of them they are hailing you because they are seeing the foolishness in you. I never see you one day carry Bible preach. You go say your members, write your name. Let me carry them to altar and pray. I've never seen you one day. Which altar? Which mountain they go? I've not seen you go to that mountain. The mountain was my room. You stay in my house. I'll cook for you. You stay up to a month. Eat food well. AC go touch you well. Fuck very, very well to your satisfaction. Then when you finish, I'll come go drop you after 1 month. You will come deceive your members, then you come from mountain. But then we don't follow corner drive, come start driving from Ilele. Roundabout you. Because everybody welcome. But only me and you know the secret, me and you know the truth. But I kept it within myself. But you're the one pushing me to do you all these things. Stop these things. Since I went out of that church, or I went out of your side, I've never spoken to anybody concerning you. I don't do that kind of things. Me and woman one day, I can't say, me and this woman do this. If I was that kind of loose guy, I would have sat down and be explaining to your church member, because many of them don't even know, say, me and you, they sleep. You are having that doubting spirit in it. Even when you aborted the first pregnancy, second pregnancy, even the third one, nobody knows about all these things. I was so silent for those things. That's when you know that you not go figure my type.
I be mona pull love, who they pull red hands
to expose you to do evil things, to you all this while. But I don't have that call. Even as me and you were not even together, I cannot even hear someone is planning bad for you and allow them to execute that kind of plan. But for you to have the guts, after 8 years, I labored for you. I suffered for you. You dey vomit. I dey pack your vomit. You dey vomit. I dey pack your vomit for you. I dey clean you up. You are purging and stooling. I'm carrying you like baby. They paint you. They give you drugs like Pekin. Mature woman like this. Okay. The same woman when everybody come out, you come out from this. Everybody will see you as God.
Okay, no problem.
But please, God will judge you. If you don't stop this evil act, you will regret it 2022. God will judge you. I'll let the police transfer you from that, what they call it, whether a pastor section, they are calling all those things. You are doing nothing there. You're only there to gossip. You're only there to know policewoman where they fuck this one and where no they fuck this one. Let them carry you to division. Let you go and walk back in division. Since you are police, since you are working as a police officer, you used to say that you're only there for the money. You don't have if there's any crime case now, you don't know any crime case. You don't know the name.
No, I not block you again. I not block you. I don't say
just carry ASP rank for shoulder for nothing. The exam, you know one question in the exam. You know how the exam come out. Do you know about it? Do you know one question inside? You are where you are when I was resolving the answer. I don't want to expose it, but I have to expose you. You have forced me too hard. I kept quiet. You have been sending message to me. I text you message through your phone direct. Say stop all this thing you are doing. No, I beg let us allow the sleeping dog to lie. I have so many secrets of yours, and one person in your church, not even in your house, I've anything apart from my mouth. I don't do that kind of thing. Let us just allow this thing to go. But every time you go to your watchroom church, you will climb the altar, carry this thing. It's Elvis that is your topic. That me and you discuss that I sleep with your members in your church. Which of the members will come out and say, how will I? Even someone said, where they learn boyfriend and girlfriend cannot go and do that kind of thing and start telling the next opponent. Then me that is so full of knowledge and wisdom will not start telling a stark illiterate like you that I know that your knot is kaput. I will not carry and start telling you that I slept with this, I slept with that. Mind you, I don't do that kind of nonsense. I don't do that kind of nonsense. You say everybody are looking up to me, everybody are looking at me, everybody want to sleep with me, everybody want to sleep. They like me because I was very, very neat. At least when I wear perfume, at least that time when you were with me, when you come, everybody know you have come. Because as you pass, your perfume the fragrance was so alluring. It was my doing. You know what they call perfume? Were you using perfume before? You are rubbing cannel oil. When I know you are rubbing cannel oil, your nails was very, very black. I was doing you manicure and pedicure. I mop your nail under your foot. I cut your nails. I clean you up. I shave you. I roll on you. Perfume you. Show you how to cream. You get the guts to come out. Before you don't make your hair. You will pack your hair like all these olden days frustrated sisters. I said, I don't know. You have to be making your hair. He said, no. It's from the pit of hair they brought that hair from. But now, when I now force you, start retouching your head. I was the one that entered and bought this 6-in-1 relaxer, this foreign relaxers. You started using to retouch your hair. Before, lies I pay the quarter, they come out from your hair. I was the one making things happen for you before you started making hair and looking like human being. Peace, you get mind though. Tell Dibia to kill me. Even though I do you something that will kill you, and the thing will not kill you. As you claim to be a prophetess, you would have remembered the good things I did for you. If not because of me, you would have passed on. Your son would have passed on. I was there for you, in pain and in agony. I never left you. I was doing all the good things. I removed shame from your face. I removed tears from your face. You have the guts. Even though I know you with something I know that I've checked myself. There's nothing I committed than I want to leave. You would have called me if the day I called you. You would have called me. Hello, useless idiot. To see your social person call me. Oh, see if the whole social person, or if you want to do like this, you better let him know so that then I will know how to keep myself. You told the man, you don't know me. Oh, I'm a driver. I ran away. Like she should kill me. And my generation, the man said it like this: peace, God will punish you 2022, you will suffer. If I do you bad, then let 2022 turn against me. But if I'm not there, from January 21st till December, you will beg to eat. Your morning will be cry. Your afternoon will be cry. Your night will be cry. If you can do me this thing you did me, after all I did for you, now God could judge me and you. Forget outsider. Now me and you know our secret inside though. Now me and you know the secret inside. All this thing you do, I say maybe you're too holy, I know the story, yo. And you fully well, you know I know the story. Now me and you they sleep for one bed. Now me and you they bath for inside one toilet. Nobody will know such story more than me in you outside. Nobody. I have all those things in my palm, but I've never sat your member down, one of your members, even as they are close. Most of them are close to me. We've never gone to drink and I sit down and bring Geo matter. I've never spoken to anybody about Geo. I have never. I kept all our relationship, everything we had in common, intact. You are the one. Agocha, you are the one that was telling Agocha so many things. The other people then, you are the one telling them, I refuse to fuck you, that you will not, in fact, you are not, so many things I don't want to mention. So many things. I don't want to sleep with you, this or that. I said, you? Telling so person like that? I don't want to sleep with you. Tell them why. When me and you quarrel, nothing, we don't used to fight. We don't used to quarrel. When we fight, it's because of the fine prick. And I told you that let us settle ourselves off and let us go before this thing will cause something unbearable. You are using me to be passing time. Then let me be waiting. Time waits for no one. No. It was those that someone can be 80 years. A man can be 80 years, he give birth. But now, fertilizer don't keep. Once you are 40, 50 years, you get how you go there, say, fertilizer don't they keep penny so. If you don't born quick, you're on your own. It was those days, 80 years, 90 years, you will see man go still born child somehow. But it's not at this time because fertilizer have killed everything.
Now, truth they talk
this time.
Fertilizer.
And so many evil things have killed most of our immune systems. And I sat you down and talk sense to you. You want the one that everybody go to respect your children. They need them for you. I don't go feel do that kind of thing now. I don't go feel do that kind of thing. I did not do you bad. I did not do you bad. Even when your husband died, I followed you up in everywhere to make sure you, from here to Borokiri, from pension office, I was following you helter scatter to assist you, to do some of the talking, to do some of the writings. Because you don't know how to express yourself. You are only very, very saucy and rude. Only saucy and even when I told you one time, as they pay your husband the money, give the stepson. Also, give him some. Like if they give him if it's 2 million, give him 500,000. Then you and your son can take the 1.5. You tell me over your dead body. What kind of nonsense is that? That even 50,000 you will not even give him. I got pissed off. That was when I stopped following to that place. I said, for somebody that someone born, the man's first blood, that was when me and you they get problem. My dear, remove your own spark in your eye before you move inside somebody's eye. They say advice, no because. I rest my case here. I did not do you bad. I did not do you any evil. I went away as normal, walking away because we don't go to feed the airport. And age is not by my side anymore. Age is not by my side anymore. I'm And I peacefully told you, look at, see how this thing is, so see how this thing is. It's something of agreement. But you feel that you want to control me, they mad, thunder fire you. They crazy, you want to control me as waiting. Who are you? Woman like you with a bend down a piece. Then you will come and control who? Because I spoke sense to you. I told you everything you need to know. It can't be bad. When you want to talk to the church, you carry microphone, talk about me. Person, we don't leave your church since ages. You're going to be my matter. When you curse me finish, you will now send people to come and call me, to beg me, you want to talk to me. At the end, you will now say, to fear quiet, you will never. But keep that pride on one side. We know those things, so keep that pride. I have all your secret in my tips, but I don't want to blow hotter than this. If you push me to the wall, if you make me to do next time, you will see your nude picture everywhere. Your pure nakedness everywhere on social media. You don't go get face to come out again. Don't make me to do something stupid. I beg in the name of God. Rest. Let me rest. Thank you.
Shona, don't listen to the voice record. Shona, don't listen to the voice. Now, what happened be that, my people? Now, Pepper body, now, this brother, what you do? You know, say he don't already come out. He don't ask God for forgiveness. I believe so. Okay, yes, you know. Okay. You want, okay, call him. You can call me. Call if you want to call him. Call him if you want to call him. You understand? If you not even want, you don't let the sleepy dogs lies. You know, say at that time, what he still do, na bad thing, don't ask God for forgiveness. But it can't be like say the matter can't get as it be now. You understand? Person, they talk say person. Okay, Oh, the brother don't call. Hello?
I greet you.
I didn't laugh. You want to contribute?
Yes, I'm the culprit. I'm the person that is having this issue with her.
Okay.
This is the person.
Now the brother they talk so when you get the matter.
Yeah, this is the person calling now. See, most people don't know it. Most people don't know anything until when it happened to them, they will understand. I'm saying most of our members.
Okay, our members there for the comment section.
One Rachel. I'm seeing one Rachel there.
Okay, now member Rachel. Okay.
Member, and I know all those things, but it's, as time goes on, the truth will surface too late. They say blackmail. If you want to blackmail a woman, I'll use nude picture, and I have a nude picture. Nobody knows that me and this lady. Yes, nobody knows that me and this lady was even having anything in common, like sex. Nobody knows these things. Let me point out all what causes nonsense. I met this lady 2013 when she lost her husband. But before then, I have a girlfriend I was with. We have dated for years. Let everybody hear the truth, because they said if the truth. Brother,
you better say the truth, or the truth is only the truth that will set you free.
That is people don't know. It's when you sleep with somebody, you know how the person's mouth smells. Forget most of this church goer when they don't. Which impact have they gotten in the church? That is one thing they should ask and they should know. I met this woman 2013, and before we even started dating, people are saying because you are eating hope and you are now blackmailing. I'm not blackmailing anything. She had nothing when I even met her. And leave all this story. You know, they will believe her more because of the church. But at the end, we will know the truth. At the end,
you know, say to pastors, they're not equipped. If they talk about pastors, they are the members, they're not equipped believe.
Nobody believe until when they happen to the next person. This Rachel that is writing this nonsense, I know her before this time. I know that one way the person will get is before this.
Bro, so why about that your ex-girlfriend now? Where that one come there now? I deny no network.
See what happened when I came in 2013. I met this woman. I don't know her before. It was my girlfriend that went to the church.
Network.
Hear me?
So wait, you say now your girlfriend now go to church, now they go to church, you follow and reach there, now see say the man. Okay, you don't worship there. It's your girlfriend that worship there.
Yes, she worship for the first Sunday. Then the next day, it was the church is always on Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. So we went on Sunday.
The first time when you take go to church now on Sunday.
Yes. Why she has gone on Wednesday before, and she has gone on Sunday. I don't know anything concerning this woman before. So when I went to the church, After Sunday, the next was Wednesday. I was about to go in on Wednesday when everybody gathered at the door of the church. What happened? They said the owner of the church, I lost her husband.
And you see the husband on Sunday when you go?
I don't know. I've not even seen him before. I don't even know how he looks like, if not in picture. I've not seen him physically.
On Sunday, one and go to the church. You might not see the. You not see the pastor. Okay, it was not around.
It was not in the church.
Okay.
The pastor's husband that died was not in the church, but I saw the pastor that very day. So that was how things began. We after the cry and all those blah blah blah. I know when somebody died, everybody will be feeling so remorseful and so on. They now have to take the man to the mortuary just like that. So that my girl now, you know, women now, she was a Muslim before she converted to Christian. She was now very, very close to her. She was now going close to her and some secrets she was not going to tell the woman that claimed to be woman of God, the woman of doom. So I was not telling her that, see, it's not everything you need to expose to most of these pastors. If they are real pastors, they'll tell you your problem and tell you the solution for it. Not too going close. But my lady is this kind of person that when she see all these fake miracles, she's so moved with all those things and she likes those things. So that was why she clicked on, because she was a Muslim before she converted to Christian. So that was how both of them were very close. Then she now gave my girl 60,000 naira for her to travel and go and do assignment, to go and bring one sand in the village.
Bring wetin? Wetin say make go bring?
Make she go bring sand from her father's
compound. Make she go pack sand come from her father's compound.
Yes, that they want to do prayer for her, something like that. I don't know what they discussed initially at that time. It was what she started telling me. So my girl now has to travel to her place in the west. When she traveled to her place in west, things started becoming very rough. She don't even pick my call again. She not bring the sand come back. Wait now, she just traveled. She was not acting very strange. To pick my call was now a problem. This thing I'm telling you is only God and me and her that know the truth. It's only God, and this 2022, Peace Henry, Prophetess Peace Henry, will see shame from nowhere that will rob her up. And they say blackmailing. You don't know what they call blackmail. People don't know what they call blackmail. See, when it happened to them, they don't know what they call what am I blackmailing? What they share? How much is there? You never see better people to blackmail and scrap. Illiterate when you go school, I can't blackmail. Let me continue my story. My brother, just go straight to the point, because we don't take for I get a lot to do today. It's annoying now, and I'm seeing those comments. It's annoying now. And you must see comment like that, my brother. And just cut and short. When they get traveled, you know, before when you go to the church the first time, they will collect your phone number and your name and so on. That's the first time now. So the president of the youth president then now called after some weeks, after some months. I don't see in the church again what happened. This one that you are carrying, you have not that your husband is now helping the general overseer. I hope all is well, that kind of thing. People don't they call her for church. People that has a number, as but when they registered it now, I mean, my mind was not there. So she now called me and said, what is she hearing that they say that I'm going out with the general overseer? I said, no, I've nothing as such. But that time you don't go out with the woman. No, then we have not started having anything then. Okay. We have not started having anything then. So I said nothing like that. Yeah. But why will I be calling you and you don't want to pick call? He said there's one assignment. She said she want to give to her just like that, and that was how that case. I cannot remember that long time. So when I was now helping the general overseer, we had to go to one journey in a place of police post, a police station there, because she's a police officer too. She now told me on the express road that she want to ask me something. I said, what is the problem? She said she just love my kind of way, my kind of person, and she want us to have something to it. That this woman pastor so? Yeah, prophetess. She said she want us to date. I said, to date how? But you know I have a girlfriend and so on. And she said it's not that we date, but me and her cannot date together because one of us, my girl must leave. And she has given her assignment to do, and that is how she will make her stay wherever she is there. I was like, why will you talk like this now? He said that is the only way that she wants me, and she's the kind of person that has been looking for. That what she told me that very day on the expressway where we were driving. If I'm lying, then let 2022 see my end. If I'm lying, but if it's not. But she knows about your fiancé, Abi. She knows now. She knows because she has told her everything. The girl has already told her everything. So that's how the dating now come. We started dating. That was how. But how you just but bro, so you self you not do well.
You know say you have fiancé and
No.
woman when her husband dey mortuary and they get children.
Excuse me now. Excuse me, let me explain now. I was
Okay.
gradually now.
Okay.
So when it happened like that, and I asked her, see when I started dating her first, she told me that the man did not marry her. That the man has a wife already, but as a policeman, you know, police people now, most of them, anywhere they transfer them, they will get wives, they just like that. So he has about four children, and the 4 children, the smallest one, senior her own son by far. You can imagine that. So she told me that the man did not marry her, but people never know about those things. That if I doubt it, I should go and ask her father. I said, how will the man not marry you? And he said, no, it's a private, it's something that she kept within herself. I said, well, no problem.
Okay, not be this same man he born the daughter for.
No, she born the 2 children for this man, but she said the man did not pay her dowry, that the man did not marry her. That's what she told me. That was this piece Henry told me.
Okay.
If you lie, let us keep anything and go and swear whatever we want to swear. We will see who we think will hit. I think everybody is saying lie because of maybe she's a church, she's a pastor, she's the owner of a church, because I don't say anything they are doing there. But the truth will surface this 2022. So that was how it happened. We now started dating. When she now got pregnant. The other one was still in the mortuary. She got pregnant. So we now told her that, see, since you've gotten pregnant now, why don't you give birth to the child? Say no, that people will suspect now to look somehow. And after that, yeah, you can say it's your husband's pregnancy, maybe before he died and all those kind of things like that. You say no, that church people and this, that, because she used to be very secretive, because someone that's too secretive to even to herself, it's because she keep castigating her.
Bro, so you can't be telling her, say, make you leave the pregnancy when your husband dey mortuary, make for body picking for you.
Yes, that I keep the pregnancy because now I
This
see.
brother they talk truth now. You know, say no lie. What is still do is still talk.
No, leave them. They say our people perish because of lack of knowledge. I was telling
Now
you.
truth, it depends. If you know you never talk anywhere when for take talk good of your side. The bad thing when you said you receive one, you still talking. It's not perfect. The bad thing when you talking to. If now some people they will not agree that they were even dating her when her husband dey mortuary, because now shameful thing on that part. Somebody will feel admit to that. You know, don't say the person they talk truth.
It's only God in heaven that is not if I plan to.
That's why God keep you alive till this 2022, because they say make you payment for December 2021 before. That's why you need to tell the truth.
Let me don't see good in this 2020, but it's not a blackmail. All her members say she will keep burying them, and all the one are supporting her. She will bury them mysteriously with her children.
No, not they swear for our children. Our children don't know anything.
I must swear for them because all of them are useless. I will swear for them. I have my reasons.
No, not swear for them.
So that's how we started dating. So she aborted the first pregnancy. That one left. Then after some time again, she took in again. Then I think the man stayed in mortuary for like 6 months. I was helping her. The distance from the church from Igrita. Igrita is where the church in River State. The distance from Igrita to Andoni. You who know Andoni know that it's very far. You must get to Glory, and you pass Glory and just like that. So the distance was so crazy, but I was doing everything. She still have her church members. She has her brothers and sisters, but I was helping her till the burial was done. Everybody came back successfully. That was how it is. The second day she took in. The second time again she took in again. I give birth to this one. Since you are very demand now, she wanted us to say you should be doing this thing so that people don't understand. I said, see, I can't be hiding myself now.
Okay, you be way to bros. It can't be like say you be one made born for you before.
No, me, I don't love that natural now. You don't see.
Okay, after una don start, you can't begin to fall in love with her. Yes, somebody really talk and just now saying I love one titi.
Yes,
because you roll her, you shave her, you roll her, you bath her. Now real love with that before.
She's exactly the trait. We started teaching her things. Yeah, phone, she don't know what they call Android phone. I was one that bought Android phone for her. I was one that bought Android phone for her. She was using all this Nokia Touchlight then when I knew her. I was one that bought all these things. So I just make it that, even if she's not up to, because she used to tell me that people say, I'm not be up to your standard. I say, see, if a man loves someone, he can make a woman to ask.
Because then you they work, you get money now.
Yes, I was working. So there is most of when we started going, the going we are going where. Then she moved the first one, moved the second one, then the third one. Okay, that period I was on the bed. See how it happened? I was on the bed that period when she was sorting out some things from her bag, from her box. Because she's a police officer, she was an inspector then, sergeant to inspector, something like that. So when I saw her results, she had one WAEC result.
When I saw the result, I said, this result is, can I see that result? She said, okay, I said, what do you use to enter school? What is to enter this police? He said when she was in school, she was one of the best in her school. I said, someone that is best of best, if you speak English here, it's very crazy. The English is very worrisome in the ears.
Okay,
so
my brother, you know say we don't fair play your voice record. We don't talk about all these things. You get anything when you want hard more to what we don't fair talk before, so that more will come up for here. We don't say because then don't they go. I get a lot to do. Please, you get any more thing you need to hard to what we don't fair play before because you watch us from the beginning.
Okay, now I just joined. What I'm really saying, most people are saying is blackmailing and not blackmailing. Blackmailing means simply maybe if I can tell her, I would have called her privately, bring this money or else I'll do you this or bring this, I'll do you that.
You know that comments now.
See what brought my anger, see what brought this anger. We had deal with somebody and one of our so-called pastor, our second in command, pastor there, is to make the visa there. And the guy that does the visa, the name did not come out. The brother even confessed it because I made the brother in Spain. The brother even confessed and told of how it happened. And the visa something did not work out before I traveled, and my line got blocked. My line got blocked. So no Nigerian line, I got blocked. So no way to contact them, no way to get them. Now, and before then, she has been calling me before now without this my new line. That I beg, let me come, let us reconcile, let us see again, let us continue. After that, I see. I can't think I've wasted 8 years and I've lost the other one I was with before. The other one is married now, something. So I cannot just sort myself and start coming back again. Let me just forget about the past and everything. We can still be friends and be greeting and all those things. He said, no, that she will not let me go, that I don't think she can get my kind of person again. That is the comment she made. But yeah, I saw those things as foolish talks them and all those things. So I just tried to let wave all those things. But it was not thought working. Now, the guy called and said that he needs my number. Are you getting my point? As a smart person now, she would have called me or sent somebody, one of our close person that used to be close to me and had to. And called the person, says, this person who has called for his money. Because you know that I did not eat the money. The money was, you see with that visa guy, the guy is doing me 2.9 million. If I call him today, he blocks my line and everything. Because he believes I'm not in Nigeria anymore. But they say like 9 days for the thief, 1 day for the landlord, I'll get him definitely. So she now supposed to have called me and tell me or send somebody to call me. She now gave the DBA through the one the boys and gave the DBA my number and my name and my pictures. That I'm a driver, let the guy kill me and kill my family. That was the word. Okay. Somebody have helped me for 8 years. That was why I was.
Okay, that this one I provoke you, when make you come and say all these secret things one to do together.
Yes. Even a church member with the blab all up and down. None of them know say they even get anything like sex. None of them know. It's only her daughter that knew. Maybe when she will come inside the room and see the mother rubbing cream and when she's naked and when I'm on the bed lying down, and that's when the daughter will know. But nobody until that 8 years, even best people, those people that are very close to me in the church, they did not hear anything because I don't want to be speaking that thing to tarnish her. She was even begging me, let me go and give her father a drink so that me and her will get married. I said, well, I can't reason that for now. And I'm not interested for now. So let me just still be watching. Since you have removed those 3 kids, so there's no need. She now told me that. Wait,
supposing she bought those 3 children, you for still marry her now, she?
Yes. Now she now told me that since it's like that now, let her bring somebody that I'll pregnant. And when we pregnant the person, then the person will go. And then I will hold the children, we'll train the children together.
Okay, just for you to have your own because she no want born again. Okay.
She don't want me to leave. And I said, no, that no girl I want to stay with that who want to born with me and go away. And because there are some men, there are some men that someone said, let me just born and go. But there are some when they say, no. It's everybody's just like everybody's choice.
Yes, everybody's choice. Yeah, they want to be with their baby mama. Yeah.
They want to, yes. So that was what really caused this whole thing. Before I have to blow out. Because if I don't know myself now, and that man have done that now, maybe something start killing their enemy now. She will not tell them that because her grace was covering me, that's why I left her. That's what people don't understand. I'm not trying to say that what am I blackmailing her for now? It's a very simple something. Now she now started accusing me that I told her that I was sleeping with all our members in the church and blah 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 blah. All the married women like this. I said I know kind of women I've mingled with. Don't be those people when they wear slippers, they come to church. So many accusations. I'm pregnant at this and I'm pregnant at that. I said, yes, I'm pregnant. Those people you say are pregnant, they're to provoke you. But you don't have any proof. Were you on the bed when you saw us be pregnant ourselves? You talk like a fool till tomorrow. This is somebody I have to write police exam. She got a promotion.
Okay, bros. Okay, bros. We don't hear you. So, what can be the situation of things between you and the native daughter side now? I don't know. I can't resolve now.
No, I've cleared what I've cleared my destiny.
Okay, you have paid the money.
Yes, I've paid the money, but I want the guy must refund me back my money, being the guy in Nigeria. But meanwhile, I only brought out this issue to let them know that the heart of a man is very, very wicked and deceitful. I'm not bringing anything to blackmail her. To what did I want to spoil her for? What does she have now? How much does she have now? How much does she have?
Okay,
see, now I want to let them know that it's very, very wicked to do such thing, to carry my name and allow the DB. Okay, even she said, as we're not even together, I cannot hear where they gather to plan for her. Then I allow the DA to strike.
Okay.
I cannot do
what if you want to tell me? Say she herself, as she say she be woman of God, make she repent because. She not fit us say she dey go Marty because if you are still not there now maybe somebody else go there. She not fit say she dey go Marty collect money for church members and not go pray for church members then go one place go dey enjoy the life for hotel. That one is not good.
She don't go to any mountain. The mountain was my room. The mountain was my room. She will come. I will pick her up in the evening. She will go like some of them don't die. Two of the men now don't die. One just died a few weeks ago. And she don't they go for their burial when they die. They ask wetin dey happen. Why? They don't ask why. But these are people that play vital role for them. That man will give her 80,000, 50,000 for prayer. She will write their name and on paper and everything. They know they go anywhere. She will come and stay in my house for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, freshen up and go back house. That's how they go back. And when she comes, they'll say she's coming. Which mountain?
She'll come. They give them fake message.
Fake message. They know mountain is not valid. But I kept those things within myself. They say blackmail. People don't get sense. They don't know what they call blackmail.
So bros, all those things, although maybe you don't know, now very bad thing for you to even allow and come your house. As you say, they go Martin, you go pursue and go down Martin. You don't go put up for and make you enter.
No, I can't pursue something like that. Then when they say
because mountain, you still need that too.
I think mountain is anywhere.
Mountain cannot be inside your room now. Where be say una the fire for inside house.
I'm not a Christian. I'm not a Muslim. I'm a humanist. I don't believe in all those. This one, you can stay anywhere and pray to your God. That is what me I believe. So that very time, I don't used to do to be in the church. That is when I come, you tell me that I want to go to mountain. The first time when I was expecting the mountains, I was thinking maybe it's all those bush area. It's of recent that me even carry her go to Jeremiah herself. I was the one that even carry her. She don't even know road to those places. I was the one that took her to that place. It's my room. She was in the mountain, and I've never seen one day she sit down and pray for our members. God bless you, so person. I lie. When you don't see prick finish, you don't finish with prick, you don't rest, sleep like small picking. That's how it is. But you will not be carrying microphone and be talking nonsense in the church. Be condemning somebody when you know that you're not better than the person. Now see church members when everybody are blindfolded. As anywhere, any place they come me to, I have every right and every evidence. I have every evidence. So which one is blackmailer?
Okay, my brother.
I would have carried a nude picture and put everywhere.
No, that's a nude picture, not just a bed. That's a nude picture, not just bring and come out because of the children. Yes. Now that one you for use, yeah.
I would have been calling her say, see, give
me also a mat or I bring your nude picture, come out, yeah.
I don't do those kind of nonsense. People don't understand what they call blackmail. She accused me of so person. I said yes, I did it. To make her happy, kill yourself. Were you there? Anybody that greets you, you the friendly person. What kind of dirty jealousy is that one?
And I love.
Your children can get your daughter can get pregnant and your son can pregnant someone. You can't keep person on as stagnant. This thing she do will happen to her son too. Then we go know whether that blackmail the son one blackmail. Who no go no. I don't want.
Okay, what if they verse you now say now 8 years of relationship pikin not born for you and you not free go outside to say another person come born.
Not even that one. Not even by that one self. My anger is that upon all the help if I don't want to start mentioning most of the things, all the help I have for her, the thank you is to send the DBA. Even though I don't invest in billions, I don't go pay.
Yeah, that's the place where they carry you go.
That is what I'm trying to tell people.
I understand. Now that would do. No matter what, no matter as far as 8 years of relationship, of enjoyment, and all the past where you do, you're supposed to remember and you're not supposed to carry you go to the place. Okay. And as a pastor self, if you put her for prayer for God, and why you can't see they go juju place, they carry members, they go juju place. That one I know good. Okay, my brother, I don't hear what you talk. Thank you so much for this because this your topic. You open many of our eye where you open our eye where it make us understand many things we say it they happen inside the Christianity. Yeah. So thank you so much. We really appreciate you. All right, we'll talk later. Yeah.
No problem.
Okay.
Anyway, I can defend myself in it. What I want to go down to blackmail her for.
Okay.
She gave her one blackmail. Thank you.
Calm down, yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Calm down. Even for here, they say may you calm down. It's okay, yeah.
I can't. Why will I spoil her mind or spoil anything? Nobody knows me how they get anything like sex. Nobody knows it today. It's when I cannot cast this thing. Everybody now they call it a big story to cover those people, but God will make those people see what will happen and for them to know the truth.
It's
okay.
Okay.
If I want to blackmail,
It's okay.
Or is this so amount to send to me? You people gonna say blackmail. Did they know what they call blackmail? Let her come. Let me go and swear whatever I want to swear. If you don't kill her, let her forget those churches. She's not be deceiving people. There's nothing to deceive people. People, all of them, they follow her member. Definitely, if one person cannot fight people, person where they get people like prophet and prophetess. But at the end, then the truth must prevail. The truth must prevail. The people blackmail. I don't follow church before. I don't fight for pastors before. But when I say this, no pain, no gain. When the truth come out, let it be told. If they charge me, I come. If the effort is I make it call me thief. Because I have all my evidence, but no evidence. If you say I pregnant somebody, even I pregnant somebody, is he your child? Is he your child pregnant? I sleep with your daughter.
It's okay.
They tell people lie every time. She have never carried Bible and preach one day in the church. It's only Emeka they friend this Nena they friend this one. This one they friend this one.
It's okay, my brother. Okay, my brother. We don't hear you. All right, take care. Okay. So this our brother don't talk wetin really make am vex. He say na the Ojuju place where they carry and go. Na he make am vex. They make am come expose so many things. Person they talk say why Jeremiah topic on the yes Jeremiah topic dey there because he need they still call his name for inside. This woman say this prophetess, this pastor say Jeremiah na Ojuju they use. So I don't know where to have the for still body when say now Ojuju they use. That make it need still there. So it dey inside the voice record. Go and listen from the beginning to the end. You go know why Jeremiah need dey for inside there. I don't bring Jeremiah come and consider that a fake pastor or not be fake pastor. That one don't concern me. But she when they condemn Jeremiah say they use Ojuju. But the same Jeremiah is still go there. Carry a picture put for a church for water for everything. You don't call person finish say now Ojuju they use. You don't use and talk wetin baba thing about the person. But at the end, when you reach the person hand, you begin to worship the person like say na your God. You begin to put a poster for everywhere. You can see say that person na kpobone somebody. As a human being, you know say this person they use juju. You talk am, they say you can still go there. How you feel say your followers go do follow you? Wetin they go do for you? Ekede, we need to address this case on Ekede, but you too get mind to be getting a woman that her husband is emotional. Yeah, the brother admit. That's why when the brother used the talk, for him to admit all those evil things when he do self, you go even know say he's not lying because now shameful thing to admit all those kind of things. Somebody when he admit all those kind of things, you know say the person not dey lie. He just want pour out because himself come dey fear say as they talk say no go reach 2022, maybe no go reach. Then because say me he just do all the true confession come out. But thank God say he don't reach. He just be like one joke when they talk. They say one man dey start play with his wife. Now say begin dey shake. The play dey shake. Like say one capside. I be how they talk. I mean I not cut my tongue. Then they say make everybody do their true confession. Who knows say don't do bad, make it come the confession so that it go heaven because this play now if you all fall down nobody go survive again. Now the man they do true confession. Before they do your true confession, they tell you why say hey see then you tell me why forgive her because if they don't know where that they go now this play they shake. Now the wife say my husband not be only you one. If she's not still shook like for inside bush. That's what the man open mouth, you know. So that's what this matter just be. So as the people say they don't use Ojuju take threatening, and he really they fear. If you look that December time when this brother come in that time, he really fear day body. No social media platform where this brother no go talk. I told him I say go Swagalicious native doctor side because if he said that one I see native doctor, he will call the native doctor. They go make arrangement and know what to do. So e really dey fear. So now make am just say okay, if na so e can't be say they say no go reach 2022, make e kukuma just do the true confession. Now make am come dey do all the true confession, both the one wey e do and everything. He confess all of them come and bet. One thing when I'll talk before I'll conclude on this matter be say, as a woman of God, not dey spoil another pastor. E no good. Say they use juju. I say na to God that use the juju. And secondly, not dey lie to your members. You know they pray for them. You say you dey pray for them. And the worst part of it, not dey tell your members make they not dey drink medicine. Make that they take the anointing oil when you dey sell for them and water. Make that they drink. Make they not drink medicine. And you yourself, you dey drink medicine. That one is not good for inside. So if you know say you want follow God, follow God. As a woman of God, as a pastor, you're not supposed to carry any of your member go native doctor place. If you get any problem with her, try to solve the problem. If you know if you solve her, pray to God. Not be say you come the kind of go native doctor place. What if you not say you believe say now that native doctor place where you cannot go, now the problem will take solve. Then why they carry your Bible? Kukuma, you drop your Bible and follow native doctor side. That be the best thing. Because now I'll say native doctor, we banned you, we do this. Tomorrow, una dey there. Who una dey fool? So my people, tell that go and we'll call it a day. Please let me share this video, like our video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make una pick sense when they for inside. A lot of sense there from the beginning to the end. Wanna pick the sense, wanna leave the way not good for inside. Everything must not be for you. Don't be your own. You take her. If you don't say anyone, not they will be your own. Waka pass. People will still get them, they will take the way be their own for inside. So maybe our next video, your own go take the God of Reality Deliverance Ministry. Okay, don't write the name of the church for them. Even some of the church members, they even come here, comment. They stop themselves for the comment section because they know the brother know them. So anyway, more pick the sense where they for inside. Don't you not be your own for inside? Just walk up past our next video if you see your own for inside. So thank you so much. Happy New Year once again, and thank you, my lovely people. Please don't leave this video say you not leave comment, and also leave this video say you not put like, and also leave this video say you not share this video. Thank you, and I'll see you on our next video. Ciao, ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to true dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to true dreams with Lady T, and God will see